Hey YouTubers, this is my 1947 Briggs Stratton Model N engine I've had hooked up to my water pump here. It's been smoking a lot lately, and the last time I took it to a show it quit running and I never could get it started again. Come to find out, I just had a fouled plug. So anyway, I'm going to tear the engine apart and overhaul it, see if that'll get her fixed up for me. Here's the bottom end of the Briggs Stratton Model N. I got it all cleaned out. It was a little sludgy down there, and put it back together and demonstrating the oil pump here. This engine doesn't have a slinger, it actually has an oil pump. The piston out of the Briggs Stratton Model N. The engine was smoking really bad, fouling out the plugs, and when I took the cylinder head off, it actually had a pool of oil on top of the piston, so I'm replacing the rings in it. These are the old ones and the new ones that are on the piston already. I'm going to hone out the cylinder here shortly. Got my Briggs & Stratton Model N engine put together, ran it, broke it in. Runs pretty good, doesn't smoke no more. Start it up here. Pumping water again.